We're going to troubleshoot why your LG Ultragear monitor isn't producing sound. First, let's check the most obvious things. 1. Make sure your monitor's volume isn't muted. Look for a volume icon or dial on the monitor itself, usually near the power button. If it's muted, unmute it. Also, increase the volume to a reasonable level. 2. Verify that the correct audio output device is selected on your computer. Open your system's sound settings. This varies depending on your operating system. Windows users might right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, while macOS users may check System Preferences sound. You should see a list of output devices. Make sure your LG Ultragear monitor is selected as the default playback device. If it's not listed, then you might have another issue. 3. Confirm the audio cable is properly connected. Check both ends, the connection to your computer, usually a DisplayPort or HDMI port, and the connection to your monitor, also usually a DisplayPort or HDMI port. A loose connection can cause audio issues. Try reseating the cable firmly into both ports. Consider trying a different cable if you have one available to rule out a faulty cable. 4. Check your monitor's audio input settings. Some LG Ultragear monitors have menu options related to audio input. Access your monitor's on-screen display, OSD menu, using the buttons on the monitor itself. Usually, it's a joystick or buttons located near the bottom right or bottom left of the screen. Explore the settings to see if there's an audio input selection, ensuring it's set correctly. 5. Update your graphics card drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can interfere with audio output. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. 6. Restart your computer and monitor. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches that might be interfering with audio output. Completely power off both devices, wait a few seconds, and then power them back on. 7. If you're using a USB-C connection, verify that it supports audio transmission. Some USB-C cables and ports only transmit video data, not audio. Check your cable and port specifications to ensure they're supporting both video and audio over USB-C. 8. Check your operating system's audio settings for any unexpected configuration changes. For example, in Windows, look for an option called Spatial Sound, which might be affecting how the audio is processed. 9. Lastly, if none of the above steps work, contact LG support or visit an authorized service center for more advanced troubleshooting or repair. They may be able to diagnose a more complex problem, such as a hardware fault within the monitor itself.